In this video, we listed the 5 best meat thermometer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ThermoPro TP902 Thermometer. The ThermoPro Bluetooth Meat Thermometer TP902 is a cutting-edge, smart cooking tool designed for effortless meat monitoring and timing, ideal for both novice and experienced cooks. This digital thermometer boasts a wireless range of up to 135 meters, allowing users to monitor food temperatures and timers remotely via a smartphone app, thanks to its advanced 2.4 GHz Bluetooth technology. The device includes 2 temperature probes with an impressive measuring range of 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, -10 degrees Celsius to 300 degrees Celsius, and a temperature tolerance of plus or minus 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit plus or minus 1 degree Celsius for precision readings. Pre-programmed with USDA recommended cooking temperatures for 5 types of meat and various doneness levels, it simplifies the cooking process by providing alarm notifications when the desired temperature is reached. The TP902 can be easily placed on a table or hung up using its durable stand or hidden mounting options. It features a user-friendly interface with touchable backlighting, dual temperature unit display, degree C, degree F, and convenient timer display. Number 2. Smart Rechargeable BBQ Thermometer. The Nehu NC01 Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Meat Thermometer is a versatile digital cooking tool designed for household use, featuring a 1-meter cable length and a maximum measuring temperature of 120 degrees Celsius and above. This smart device allows users to monitor both ambient and food temperatures simultaneously, connecting seamlessly to smartphones through their To Grill app via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for remote control and monitoring without range limitations. The thermometer comes with 1 ambient temperature probe and 3 meat probes, with the option to purchase additional probes separately. Its rechargeable battery offers up to 30 hours of use on a single charge, and it can be conveniently charged via USB. The device includes preset temperatures for various types of meat and features a magnetic design for easy attachment to metal surfaces, along with clip holders for secure placement. Nehu emphasizes quality and customer satisfaction, providing free shipping to most countries and a supportive return policy, ensuring that customers receive their products in excellent condition. Number 3. Genutus Meat Thermometer. The BF5 is a smart digital food thermometer made of high-quality plastic with versatile kitchen use. It has a large high-definition LCD display and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing for remote range of up to 200 feet outdoors and 100 feet indoors. The thermometer comes with 6 probes for multi-use, with a probe length of 5.5 inches and a temperature range of 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. It is designed for various cooking methods such as grilling, barbecue, oven, smoker, and can measure temperatures for beef, mutton, pork, chicken, fish, barbecue smoke, and hot smoke. The thermometer has preset USDA-approved temperatures and various doneness levels. It won the 2019 Red Dot Design Award for its outstanding design and is an excellent gift choice for Christmas. The package includes 1 Bluetooth digital food thermometer, 2 stainless steel probes, a user manual, and a probe clip. It is easy to use with a smart app and is 100% oven-safe with its full metal probe. However, it is important to note that the thermometer should not be touched with bare hands while hot, left in the oven while cooking, or completely immersed in water for minutes. Cleaning instructions include washing the metal probe in soapy water and cleaning the thermometer by hand or using water. Number 4. Digital Chef Thermometer. The TP-40 is a digital kitchen thermometer made of durable plastic with a wireless range of 25-30 m. It comes with 4 food temp probes and preset temperature settings for different types of meat, allowing for precise and quick temperature readings. The thermometer also features a timer, alarm, LCD backlit screen, and a rubber sleeve for a non-slip grip. It is a versatile tool for barbecue, oven, and cooking, making it a perfect gift for any occasion. The product comes with a 1-year warranty, free replacement probes, and friendly tech support. Number 5. ThermoPro TP-08C Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP-08C is a digital wireless thermometer designed for monitoring meat and oven temperatures remotely. It has a 150-meter wireless remote range and features 2 probes for monitoring food and barbecue temperatures simultaneously. The thermometer also includes timer modes with countdown and count-up capabilities, as well as an alarm for temperature alerts. With a temperature range of 0 to 300 for food and 60 to 300 for barbecue, oven, smoker, the TP-08C offers accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 degrees Fahrenheit per 0.8 degrees Celsius. The package includes a remote, receiver, probes, clip, and instruction manual. The ThermoPro TP-08C is a convenient and reliable choice for barbecue, oven, smoker, meat, and candy cooking, making it a practical addition to any household.